Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Rosie here. So I have these knobs that I bought from Big Lots, and when you open them up they look like that in the back. So I had put some of these on my dresser. I'll flip the around and show you the dresser. So if I zoom in, they're right there on the drawer. So again, my makeup room is a work in progress. So unfortunately, I started building my table. I'll flip the camera again. I started building my table. So I decided to just get a plain white table. Oh great, the phone's not focusing. But I decided to just get a plain white table from OJC Commerce, and it's just a plain white table with metal legs. And then I got one of these cart things, and the cart, I'm drilling holes in the drawers. So I got this really cool cart. The cart was like 80 bucks. It was like $88. The table, plain white table, was about 100 and something. It was really cheap though. It was like less than 150. And so I had been pricing out the table and the little cart thingy for a while now, because you know Target carries them, Home Depot carries them, IKEA carries something similar. And so I decided, instead of getting the vanity, since that was like a total fail. Like, I tried to order my vanity and they couldn't deliver it because they were only doing curbside, and then I wouldn't have anybody to bring it inside, and you know, that was a big to-do. I decided I'm just gonna get a regular white table, put my mirror on top, which I've already taken out of the box, the mirror with the bulbs, and I'll just get one of these carts. So I started putting the cart already, just to see how I kind of wanted to organize it. Went to Dollar Tree to try and find some more of these, and they were completely wiped out, man. I was so bummed about that. And then I tried to look for some of these also, and those were all gone as well. So I had actually bought some of these at Burlington Coat Factory, so I'm gonna try. Is this still called Burlington Coat Factory? Burlington, y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna try and see if I can find some more. If not, Target has them for $2. I really want these. So these measure 7 by 5 by 2, and they're just like the perfect size because I could fit 4 of them in there. Just kind of like crisscross in a way where I can see everything. So yeah, so we'll see how that works out. I started putting some of my palettes in there, but God knows those are like my older palettes. I have tons of new palettes, but anyway, I will continue to organize that once I have the table up. You guys know I have a white bookshelf that I do keep my makeup stuff in. So I've just been using a regular drill. I got a regular drill, put the drill bit on there, and so I started drilling holes. And so I have 2 drawers done so far. I don't know why my phone does not want to focus. Like, it's totally acting up on me. And yeah, I just put the first little drawer pull on there with the bling. How cute is that? So the drawer pulls are $9, you guys, and you get 6 of them, and it brings 2 size screws. So it brings the short screw on there, but it brings extra longer screws as well. But for me, the short screws will work. But yeah, I just want to show you the work in progress. I put up some regular curtains for now, so I decide on some pink ones that I really want, or some Paris theme, and I kind of moved the bed around to the window. And yeah, I just kind of got bins of makeup and everything in here. Been moving everything into this room. But yeah, the issue with not being able to get a desk or a table or something to work on, it's just been crazy, you know, because COVID, nobody's really delivering other than like Amazon and, you know, some stores like that. They're just not. Like IKEA, I think delivery was all the way out to like April or May or something. Yeah. And what I wanted wasn't even available. But luckily this ojcommerce.com, they're kind of like an office supply store. They had this really cool table and the cart. I love the cart. Absolutely love the cart. I think I'm going to get 2 of them. I think I will definitely get one more and maybe just leave the white bookshelf in the scrap room for those purposes. I even tried looking for some of these clear ones, totally wiped out, you guys, but yeah, just send me some good vibes so that I'm able to find stuff. All I keep finding is like the larger ones like this. Obviously, we don't want those. We want the ones that fit in the drawer. Alright, you guys. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Just wanted to check in and show you my work in progress. Hopefully, I could get this table up soon. We were trying, but the drill bits that we had just didn't fit properly. And my screwdriver wasn't working. I don't know. The screws are really weird. So my husband's going to try and get me some different drill bits or screwdriver tomorrow, and hopefully I can get this table up and running so I can do some makeup looks again. Oh my god, I miss playing in makeup, you guys. I'll miss you guys. Alright, you guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Go follow me on Instagram if you're not following me on Instagram. I'm kind of doing a lot of stuff on there. Alright, you guys, I'll talk to you guys soon.